Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube. Hey, wait, something seems to be happening around here. Let's go check it out. Hey bro, what's happening? What's going on?
Hey man, don't you know what is today?
Well, what is today?
It is the day where every Indian citizen must use his rights to cast his vote. That's why we're all here, awaiting our turn to do the most responsible thing in this country, to vote.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great to hear. Well, please carry on. Well, looks like it's election season in the miniature world as well. Let's go see how it works. Firstly, the official in the first table will verify your identification, where you will have to provide your voter ID and your Aadhaar card. Then you will be provided with a voting slip which will confirm your participation in the voting process. Now, as standard procedure of the elections, your index finger will be inked, which marks your appearance for voting. Here, you will have to return back the voting slip given to you, and the official will explain how to use the electronic voting machine in the booth. As you cast your vote, a machine will verify your completion of voting and your vote will be legally counted in. Hey man, so how did it go?
Well, I just did my part. I cast my vote. What are you doing here? Go and vote.
Wow, that's great. And yes, we are on our way. Well, now that you have learned about the voting process, when it's your turn to vote, please go cast your vote and vote responsibly.